A very warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Hope you all are fine and doing well in your life. Today we are here with a very easy love spell that is powerful, and with this spell your lover will beg you to make your relation better. So this spell is very easy. You can use this spell from all over the world. How far your lover and your partner is living from you, it doesn't matter for this spell. This spell is one of the most powerful spell in the world. What you have to do this spell, you have to take couple of things with you. You have to take a plain paper, some pieces of rice, a pen, a matchbox. That's it. Nothing required after that for this spell. This spell is very easy spell. To do this spell, you have to make a circle on this paper. Like this. What you have to do, you have to make 4 parts of this square like this. Okay, so after that what you have to do, on the right hand side on the top you have to write your lover name. On this box you have to write your lover's name. For example, your lover's name is Ricky. You have to write Ricky 21. 21 is his age. On the opposite side of this box you have to write your name. For example, your name is Tina. You have to write Tina and you have to write your name, and you have to make a box like this. You have to write, you have to calculate your and your partner's age on this paper. Like for example, the total of this 21 and 25 is 46. You have to write 46 here, and you have to make a box like this. What you have to do after this, you have to write 1 2 3 4 5 6. Like for example, you have to write here the total of these words: 7 10 17. For example, its total is 20. You have to write 20 here. After that you have to write, after that you have to do one thing, that you have to make a circle with this rice like this. Like this. Hope you can see it very well. Like this you have to do it. After that you have to use this matchbox for final step. You have to burn this paper like this. After that, you burn this paper. To meaning of this paper means all the negativity, all the dispute has been burned out after burn this paper, that making the dispute between you and him or her in your relationship. So after do this spell, your lover will contact with you in 15 minutes. If you are facing any kind of problem, you can contact us at any time. That's the number is showing top of the screen. Please like this video and subscribe our channel for more videos and spells like this. Thank you. Bye bye.